Hi everyone, Karina over here with Broken Ground. I'm here in my food forest. It's a gorgeous fall day and I just wanted to take the opportunity to invite you to my free Jumpstart Your Resilient Homestead Workshop that takes place on Tuesday, October 24th at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. There's a link below this video to sign up, so I hope you can join me. In this workshop, I'm going to give you my 4-part framework for designing a site that saves you time, energy, and money. And so if you're interested in getting a site plan on paper, this is definitely a good starting point for you. I'll also give you a sneak peek into my Resilient Homestead program that's starting in November and takes you through February, where I give you all sorts of information related to the site planning process, tons of content. So if you're interested in joining that program, taking part in this workshop would be a great first step as well. So link is below, again, Tuesday, October 24th at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I hope you'll join me. Thanks so much. Bye.